All right, so we're here with Snatch and Spatch, and she's demonstrating a palm catch to help teach people how to work on the drop without destroying their hands. So now, if you see, when you're doing a regular snatch, you're not letting the handle grind in your palm. And this drill or exercise variation basically forces you to do that. So if you notice how she'll catch the handle in her fingers and wrap her thumb around that for the grip instead of letting it grind in her hand. I'm going to switch to the other side, I think, and I'll go for a straight on shot. And then I'll stop talking so we can do slow-mo in a little bit. So notice there, catching up top, dropping, catching up top, dropping. Yeah.
Awesome. Whatever you've done. Nice job.
So what do you think that helps you with?
Drop.
Drop.
And grip.
Drop and grip. Grip drop. Cool. Awesome. Thank you.